Hey guys, this is Jessica at Casa Magnolia, and today's video is going to be a really quick one showing you how we made the bunny trail mix for Evelyn's first birthday party. This is the second video in my Some Bunny is One party series, and I had planned on having this video out Monday and our party tips and, final reveal of the party out Friday, but I kind of forgot how much work it is to have people over and have a party. So I just appreciate you guys all being patient with me while I had to take this whole week just to kind of, reset the house and, clean up everything from the party and having out-of-town guests over. So I thank you for your patience with that, and I promise that the other video and the final reveal video will be out next week, so stay tuned for that. But real quick, let's show you how we made the trail mix, and it was so good. Everybody loved it, so give it a try. If you do try it, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.